Good morning, students. Today we will learn properties of division. Students, you have already learned about division. Now we will discuss some properties of division. You know what is division? Division means equal grouping or equal distribution of a quantity. You know there are four numbers in division. First is dividend, second is divisor, third is quotient, and fourth one is remainder. You have already discussed about it. Dividend, the number which is divided is called dividend. The number by which we divide is called divisor. The answer of division is called quotient and the remaining number is called remainder. So these are four numbers which we use in division. Now we can apply some properties on these four numbers. So let us discuss them one by one. First property. First property says that if a number is divided by 1, if we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Means when we divide dividend by 1, then our answer, that is quotient, is equal to dividend. Suppose if I divide 30 by 1, then what I will get here? I will write here 30, because if we divide a number by 1, the quotient and dividend are same. We need not to divide it by 1, we can write like this. Okay, now what is second property? Second property says if a number is divided by itself. I am taking the same example, 30. Suppose I divide 30 by 30, means when dividend and divisor are same, then quotient is 1. Means when we divide a number by itself, then answer is always 1. Means if dividend and divisor are same, the quotient will always 1. Suppose I give you a fill in the blanks. Suppose I write here 20, divide by 20, and you have to write here answer. Then what you will write here? 1, because dividend and divisor are same, so quotient will be 1. Okay, now let us discuss third property. Third property says if 0 is divided by any number. Suppose I divide 0 by 30. I am taking the same example of 30. Okay, if I divide 0 by 30, then quotient is always 0. Means when 0 is divided by 30, means when 30 is divided by 0, then quotient is always 0. Suppose I write like this, dash divide by 15, here 0. So quotient is 0, it means I will write here 0. Means dividend is 0. I am dividing 0 by a number. Here 0 is dividend and 15 is divisor. So quotient will be 0. Okay. Now let us discuss fourth property. Fourth property says division by 0 is not possible. Okay. Means I can't divide a number by 0. Means divisor can never be 0. Okay, so fourth property says division by 0 is not possible. Now fifth property is division algorithm. Division algorithm, but we will discuss in next lecture. Now we will do some sums related to four properties. I am repeating the four properties. First property says if a number is divided by 1, then quotient is number itself. Okay, means dividend and quotient will be same. Second property says if a number is divided by itself, means 20 divided by 20, then quotient will be 1. Okay, means dividend and divisors are same, then quotient is 1. Third property says if 0 is divided by any number, 0 divided by 30, then what is the quotient? Again 0. Means if we divide 0 by 30, means here 30 is divisor and 0 is dividend, then quotient will be 0. And fourth property says division by 0 is not possible. We can't divide a number by 0. We can't find any value when we divide a number by 0. Now using these four properties, now we will discuss some problems. Let us start. First problem. If I write here 46 divided by 1 and here is fill in the blanks, then what you will write here? Okay, you can see here this is our first property. In first property we can say if a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is number itself. Here is number 46, so what will be the quotient? So quotient will be 46. So when a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is number itself. Second property says if a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Okay, so let us do more problems. Suppose I am writing here 56 divided by 56. Okay, here is fill in the blanks. Then what you will write? This is second property. So I will write here 1, because according to second property, if a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. Okay, now let us discuss some more example. Dash divided by 1 is equal to 240. Now what will be the answer? Now you can see here a number is divided by 1. So this is our first property. When a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is number itself. Means when we divide a number by 1, according to first property, dividend and quotient should be same. So here quotient is 240. So what will be the number? So here I can write 240. Okay, this is our first property. Now let us discuss some more questions. Dash divided by 150 is equal to 0. Then what will be the answer here? Now you can see this is our third property. If 0 is divided by any number, then the quotient is always 0. If quotient is 0, then the number is always divided by 0. So here I will write 0. If here is 0, then answer is always 0. This is our third property. Okay, let us discuss some more examples. Suppose I am writing here 436 divided by dash is equal to 436. Then what will be the answer here? Now here dividend is 436 and quotient is also 436. Now this is our first property. You can see carefully, dividend and quotient are same according to first property. When a number is divided by 1, then quotient is the number itself. Means this is our first property and we can write here directly 1. Okay, let us discuss some more examples. Suppose I am writing here dash divided by 1 is equal to 1245. Okay, this is applicable for all digit numbers. These properties are applicable for all digit number, whether it is 3 digit or 4 digit or 2 digit. Whatever properties of division holds for all digit numbers. Okay, now what will be the answer here? Here I will write 1245 according to first property. If a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is number itself. Then the quotient and number will be same. Now I will write here some questions and we will try to solve them. First, 230 divided by 1 is equal to dash. Second question, 1200 divided by 1200 is equal to dash. Third question, dash divided by 1 is equal to 3000. Fourth, 1246 divided by dash is equal to 1246. Now we will write here the answers. First answer will be 230 divided by 1 is equal to 230. This is first property. Number is divided by 1, so quotient and dividend are same. Second, 1200 divided by 1200 is equal to 1. This is our second property. Number is divided by itself, so quotient is 1. Third, dash divided by 1 is equal to 3000. This is again first property. So here answer is 3000 because number is divided by 1, so quotient and dividend both are same. Fourth, 1246 divided by dash is equal to 1246. Now this is our again first property. When we divide a number by 1, then the dividend and quotient are same. In this way, by using properties of division, we can write answer directly. We need not to divide the dividend and divisor. Okay.